Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I'm here at the American Society of Baking's BakingTECH 2024, and I have the privilege of catching up with Catherin Herrera, Director of Bakery Technology for Grupo Bimbo Canada. And Catherin is the recipient of this year's Rising Baker Award. Catherin, congratulations.
Thank you, Jenny. I'm really surprised about this opportunity and so happy to be here.
So I'm listening to all of your accomplishments when you received this award, and one thing that's really special about getting it this year is it's ASB's 100th anniversary, and so we are on this cusp of celebrating the past and looking toward the future. And you have accomplished a lot in your short career. What are some of the things that have been foundational for you as a rising leader in this industry?
Well, I think definitely the people, just seeing the support of each other and the desire for everyone to lift each other in baking. Especially my transition to the US was fundamental for me in my career because the industry here is thriving, is energetic, is interesting, and everyone is trying to make it better every day, right? So we have so many challenges, but we're there for each other. So that's the beautiful part of it. I have found in my path many wonderful mentors, people who believed in me, people who saw some kind of talent in me and started nourishing it. I'm grateful for everyone who has been there believing in my path.
So I also hear that you are known around K-State as someone who is a great mentor for students. So what is it about mentorship that you've learned from those who mentored you and what you want to impart in the new bakers, the new generation coming in?
Well, I strongly believe that the future of baking depends on us working on the upcoming leaders. And KSU has given me the opportunity to participate in some of their classes, just sharing some of my experience and my technical knowledge. And I've been part of some of the projects for research. So it's really interesting to see them with new ideas, with innovative opportunities of finding solutions for our industry. And I just want to be part of it, just to cheer them up or just to let them know that there is so much we can do in this industry. I mean, it has given me a job every single day of my life, and that's what it can do for so many others. It's just not more than, bread, sliced bread. There is a lot to be done, and I think cultivating technology research and connecting those dots will help us become a much stronger industry.
I'm going to ask you one last question because we're also, tomorrow we celebrate the Hall of Fame. So when you get to a place where you're the next inductee of the Hall of Fame, when you look back on your career, what is your hope for what the industry will have been? What's your one hope for the future of the baking industry?
Uh, Definitely more passion, developing more passion and investment because, we're a business that wants to be profitable, but in some ways we have limited a little bit of technologies we can implement. So really bringing that edge technology, those new opportunities, even AI involved, everything will help us really be an industry of the future, not of the past only.
Right, I totally agree. And I just have to say, in looking at all you've accomplished and hearing your vision of the future, I think the future of the baking industry is bright. So, Catherin, congratulations on this incredible honor.
Thank you so much, Johnny, and everyone in commercial baking. Appreciate it very much.